Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When most people think of an A-frame, they imagine a dusty, rustic ski lodge from the 1960s. But today, the unique A-frame has evolved into a high-tech, high-style symbol of modern living. In its simplest sense, a unique A-frame house design refers to a structure that maintains the iconic triangular silhouette, where the roofline acts as the walls but incorporates non-traditional materials, irregular proportions, or innovative structural additions. It's about taking that steep geometric profile and blending it with floor-to-ceiling glass, asymmetrical extensions, or mirrored surfaces that challenge our perception of what a home should look like. It is a fusion of nostalgia and futurism that prioritizes a deep connection with the surrounding environment. Choosing a unique A-frame design offers a wealth of practical and aesthetic advantages that go far beyond just looking cool. Structurally, the steep pitch of the roof is incredibly efficient at shedding snow and rain, making it an ideal choice for harsh climates where traditional flat or low-sloped roofs might struggle, because the roof doubles as the walls. Construction can often be faster and more cost-effective than a standard box-shaped home. Inside, the soaring ceilings create a sense of grandeur and openness that makes even a small footprint feel like a cathedral. Furthermore, the large gable ends are perfect for massive windows, allowing for an abundance of natural light and panoramic views that blur the line between indoor comfort and the great outdoors. These homes are inherently energy efficient as well. The natural shape allows for excellent heat circulation when properly insulated to make your unique A-frame exterior look truly stunning. You must focus on the interplay of texture and transparency. Start by selecting a signature material for the roof. Consider matte black standing seam metal for a sleek, modern edge, or cedar shingles for a softer, organic feel that ages beautifully. Lighting plays a massive role. Use integrated LED strips along the roofline or warm-up lighting at the base to highlight the home's geometry after dark. Don't be afraid of contrast pairing dark charred shou sugi band with light natural timber accents creates a sophisticated visual depth. Additionally, the landscaping should complement the sharp angles of the house. Using low-profile decks, stone pathways, or minimalist native plants ensures that the house remains the focal point while feeling grounded in its setting. The beauty of the A-frame is its versatility across various design movements. Currently, the modern industrial style is a top choice, utilizing steel beams and expansive black-framed windows to create a glass box effect within the triangle. For those who prefer a warmer vibe, the Scandinavian minimalist approach is king, focusing on light-toned woods, white interiors, and a less is more philosophy that emphasizes the purity of the shape. We are also seeing a rise in hybrid A-frames, where a traditional triangle is fused with a flat-roofed modern extension, providing extra bedroom space or a rooftop terrace. Finally, the eco-futurist style is gaining traction, featuring mirrored glass exteriors that reflect the forest, solar-integrated roofing, and off-grid technology, turning the home into a living, breathing part of the ecosystem. Now, let's look at the top 10 best unique A-frame house design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. 1. The Mirrored Mirage Nook. This design is the pinnacle of stealth luxury. Featuring a completely mirrored side facade, this compact A-frame is elevated on timber stilts to minimize its footprint on the rocky terrain. The front is a single, massive triangular pane of glass that provides an unobstructed view of the wilderness, making the occupant feel as though they are sleeping directly under the stars while being protected by high-tech insulation. 2. The double-tiered glass cathedral. A stunning example of verticality. This design uses a soaring black frame with multiple horizontal glass segments. It features a unique recessed entry and a small top hat window at the very peak, which acts as a natural skylight for a lofted master suite. The warm interior lighting glowing through the forest at dusk makes it look like a high-end lantern. 3. The stone-pillared contemporary retreat. This design breaks the traditional A-frame mold by integrating a massive central stone chimney that anchors the entire structure. The roofline features a dramatic overhang, creating a protected porch area. The combination of dark metal roofing, natural wood soffits, and heavy stone masonry provides a perfect balance of rustic texture and modern precision. 4. The minimalist open-air pavilion. Focusing on indoor-outdoor flow, this design features wide swinging double doors that open the entire living area to a concrete patio. The exterior is clad in a simple gray corrugated metal, while the interior is lined with warm honey-toned plywood. It's an approachable yet highly refined take on the A-frame that works perfectly as a backyard studio or a minimalist vacation cabin. Asterisk, 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 asterisk 5, the elevated deck masterpiece. Rising above the tall grass on concrete piers, this A-frame is defined by its expansive wraparound wooden deck. The glass facade is divided into a grid of geometric shapes, adding a sense of architectural complexity. A prominent black chimney pipe runs up the side, providing a striking vertical accent against the horizontal lines of the ribbed metal siding. 6. The asymmetrical L-wing hybrid. This design proves that A-frames don't have to be lonely. Attaching a flat-roofed glass extension to one side of the triangle, this home gains a full-sized kitchen and dining area while maintaining the dramatic ceiling of the main living room. The second-story balcony on the extension offers a private outdoor space with a glass railing, perfect for morning coffee. 7. The monolithic silver slope. Bold and industrial. This design features a seamless silver metal roof that extends almost to the ground. The side extension creates a bump out that adds much-needed width to the interior floor plan. While the main gable is finished with dark vertical siding, it's a brilliant solution for those who want the A-frame look, with the functionality of a traditional rectangular home. 8. The warm wood multi-level chalet. This is the ultimate cozy family home. It utilizes a wide-angle A-frame to allow for 2 full floors of living space, including a beautiful second-story balcony tucked under the eaves. The use of horizontal wood planking and black-trimmed windows gives it a timeless modern cabin feel that looks right at home in an autumnal forest. 9. The slatted screen concept. A true architectural marvel. This design features a secondary skeleton roof made of wooden slats that extends past the main living quarters. This creates a beautiful play of light and shadow while providing a semi-sheltered outdoor walkway. The main house uses large, clean glass panels and light gray wood for a serene, coastal-inspired look. 10. The Twin Peak Modern Mansion. Why have one A-frame when you can have 2? This massive luxury residence connects to large A-frame wings with a central glass atrium. This allows for a clear separation between the public living areas and the private sleeping quarters. The symmetry, combined with the glowing walkways and landscape stone path, makes this the gold standard of modern A-frame architecture. Whether you are looking for a tiny weekend getaway or a sprawling family estate, the unique A-frame house design proves that you don't have to live in a box to have a functional, beautiful home. This architectural style continues to inspire us because it celebrates simplicity while allowing for endless creativity. It's a design that respects the landscape and challenges us to think differently about the spaces we inhabit. If you enjoyed this tour of the world's most unique A-frames, please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which of the top 10 was your favorite. Would you live in a mirrored cabin, or do you prefer the double peak mansion? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a dose of home design inspiration from Better Homes Designs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.